In honor of Military Appreciation Month, Verizon thought of a lot of different ways we could show our appreciation, like rolling out the red carpet, giving you your own personal marching band, or throwing a bumping shindig. At Verizon, we're doing all that in the form of special military offers. That's why, this month only, we're giving military and veteran families a $200 Verizon gift card and a phone on us, with a select trade-in and a new line on select unlimited plans. Think of it as our way of flying a squadron of jets overhead while launching fireworks. Now that's what we call a celebration, because we're proud to serve you. Visit your local Verizon store to learn more. $200 Verizon gift card requires smartphone purchase $799.99 or more with new line on eligible plan. Gift card sent within 8 weeks after receipt of claim. Phone offer requires $799.99 purchase with new smartphone line on unlimited ultimate or postpaid unlimited plus. Minimum plan $80 a month with autopay plus taxes and fees for 36 months. Less $800 trade-in or promo credit applied over 36 months. 0% APR. Trade-in must be from Apple, Google, or Samsung. Trade-in and additional terms apply.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. These are 7 of the stories that we're following today, and thank you for joining us. First, NVIDIA, despite some restrictions on sales to China, reported great earnings, and it's possible that's going to vault past Microsoft today as a top market cap company. Both are leaving Apple, the prior top firm, in the dust currently. NVIDIA was up 6% early today. We'll see how it's doing today. It starts today at about $3.3 trillion in market cap. Microsoft is about $3.4 trillion, and then Apple right at $3 trillion in market cap. Second, U.S. futures and the markets are flat now. Earlier today, they were way up as the U.S. Court of International Trade blocked some of President Trump's tariff efforts. The president is going to appeal that, but always fascinating to watch. They didn't wholly block the tariffs, but some piece of them ultimately might not have that big an impact on trade negotiation. Goldman says that the court setback won't derail Trump's tariff plans. Third, Salesforce, the company founded by Mark Benioff, brilliant person, reported better earnings than expected and raised its full-year outlook. God bless the resilience. They said their data cloud businesses and AI businesses are hauling in annual revenues of more than $1 billion, up 120% year over year. It's really moving in the right direction and continues to project higher growth in its top-line revenues. Fourth, Tempest AI, founded by geniuses Eric Lefkowski and Brad Keywell, took it to the chin yesterday, down about 16%. It's still up significantly year-to-date, about 57%. It fell almost 19% yesterday. Its market cap is about $9.2 billion, so that's Tempest AI. Fifth, as we've talked about often, Tesla and Elon Musk remain tremendously resilient. The stock is down 11% year to date. Sixth, this is apropos of nothing. My diet efforts were a disaster yesterday. Everything went off the rails. You're going to have days like that. Seventh, Best Buy points down this morning after disappointing earnings and projects challenges due to tariffs on imports. Now, when they talk about tariffs and all the challenges of tariffs, you have to remember some of these companies that are whining about tariffs, and I don't mean to use that pejoratively, maybe I do, they were already down 70% year to date, and they were facing headwinds way before the trade wars. So we take a little bit with a grain of salt. In any event, thank you so much for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We'll be back with you later with a few more episodes. Thank you very, very much.